Jordan spotted real deer this time.
I manifested them, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I think you did.
Good morning. I'm getting up and getting dressed and packing my bags because we're going on a road trip. Mom and Dad and Jordan and I are gonna go for a little ride up to the town of Challis. It's snowing! Yay!
Are we going to the hot springs right now?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
New dogs.
Karli.
No nudity. Okay. So there's a pool right here where all those people are in. That's the easiest one to get to. Yeah. Yep. Very popular. We are at the hot springs, the Kirkham Hot Springs, and it is pretty darn busy today. So we're thinking that we're gonna move on to the next place. I'm looking for Dad right now. It's very pretty here, very popular. I like all the steam coming off everything. It's so cute. The Astro. It's so adorable. So Kirkham Hot Springs was a bust. Everybody's too cold to get in and it's really busy here because it's a Saturday. So we are moving on and hoping that, and it's raining. This bridge is kind of scary. That's an odd colored Toyota. Is it matte, Mom? That one looks like it's got a sticker on it. It's got, oh, it's wood grain.
Wood grain vinyl wrap.
Nice. It is snowing. We're gonna go check out the Stanley Baking Company. Bakery and Cafe. Looks to be the only place that could possibly sell coffee that's open right now. Look at the snow! What? Open daily till 2. What time is it?
Thank you.
Thanks. So this gas station, the Mountain Village gas station, is where they tried to hire me just by being in their gas station. What are you doing right now? Just driving around. Okay, you want a job? We've got one. We open up in a week. You want it? I'm like, yeah, thank you, but no thank you.
Should have done it. Great summertime job.
Yeah, no. Yes, we are going left. We're going to
Lower Stanley.
Salmon.
Salmon?
Salmon.
What? Oh man, I splashed on my leg and it was freaking hot.
Mine splashed too. I got foam on my nose.
Anybody got a Napacan?
Here's this thing. Or that thing.
That's much better.
I got it up my nose. Oh, that's a nice pool. There's where you'd sit. Oh, it looks good. Mom's getting in. Be careful, Mom. Don't bring yourself.
Is it really hot?
Well, you don't know where it's hottest. Warm. Nice and warm. Ooh, definitely more warm than the other one. Warm! Whoa, Dad. Whoa, man. Oh, now it's too cold.
This is why jets were invented. It's hailing.
It's hailing. I was wondering.
That bounced off.
That's why he was throwing something.
Ow, that was
It's hailing. We are at Sunbeam Hot Springs on our way to Challis, Idaho. And it's a hot spring that's better in the fall because the river is lower and there's two pools, and we were at one of them where the hot water is piped from the other side of the highway over to the riverside. And it's just really hard to get it hot enough without burning your skin. So on a cold day like today, it's hard to sit in it, but we had fun. And now we're off to Challis. At the hotel. Hi, Bo. The sun came out. Stay outside. Outside. Stay. Mom? Okay, I was like, I don't know if this is the right one. Ah, we got a room. There's a mini fridge. Thank you for staying with us. There's the truck. Very nice, very nice. Hi. Hi. We're eating at Challis Hideaway Bar and Grill. Looking good. Mom got Philly cheesesteak. I got some balls, haystack balls.
Mushroom and Swiss burger.
Oh yes, very good. And Dad got the everything basket. Dad, we've got deer.
How much?
They're
Alright,
so
if I
cute.
get one of them.
No.
Oh, look at the little baby one.
No, not that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's not focused. Why is it not focusing?
Tap it. Tap the on button. There you go. Little nice. Ooh, running. He's got white
The
butts.
flash.
They're white though.
Jordan spotted real deer this time.
I manifested them, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I think you did.
Yeah, I was finding lawn ornaments before this.
My, what big ears you have.
Yes. Oh, they're so cute.
She runs like a donkey. Looks like a donkey from
They
behind too.
do.
It was really hot. Oh my gosh. Good morning, Snow. Wow. I guess it's not summertime anymore. So much snow. I'm off to get coffee for everyone. That's the only thing that the hotel offers in the morning is coffee. converted one of the bedrooms into the kitchen. How cute. Got some to-go cups. Pre-measured filters. Very nice. That one's got the creamer. And I'm gonna try and carry these. Ah! Got snow in my eyeball. It's snowing a lot. And it's slushing. Ah, I should have put on my other shoes. Yeah.
Snow's still right here.
I don't know. I'm gonna get in. Ooh, my socks are wet. Okay, I can't do this. There's too much water. I've given up. All right, Mom, are we ready?
I don't know. Bo, you gonna be okay in there, dude? You good? You good? Ooh, you good?
It's a snowy one today.
You grab my phone?
Yeah,
Okay.
I did.
Mom just dumped a bunch of snow on Dad.
Close the window because he's chucking snowballs at me now. Give me.
We are in Arco, Idaho, the town that was first lit up by nuclear energy in America.
You've arrived,
America.
Atomic days.
See, it says right there, Karli.
Arco, first city in the world to be lit by atomic power.
World.
In the world. Oh, in the world. Not America. In the world. We're in Craters of the Moon. So we just got done with our little road trip. Jordan, Mom and Dad and I went, and Bo, we went to Challis, Idaho to just check out scenery and go for a little road trip. We stayed the night in a hotel, which was a really good move because I think camping for this particular weekend would have been a total bust. We woke up to about 3 inches of snow and it kept snowing for several hours after that. And pretty crazy to be in the last weekend of September and it's snowing in Idaho. There's a huge winter storm cell that's coming through, and I guess we just didn't think we were going to get hit by it as bad as we were. It was still a really fun trip and cool to check out some places in Idaho that we hadn't really been to. I wish we would have been able to explore the hot springs a little bit more, but we didn't because of how cold it was. It was so freaking cold. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with us. It was a really fun time, and I hope it showed you guys a few more like just nice places in Idaho to check out. I had just made the video to show you guys some cool things about Idaho, and coinkadinkly enough, we passed through some of those places, including Craters of the Moon and Arco. And we were We drove through the Sawtooth National Recreation Area, but it was so foggy we couldn't see the sawtooths. Please check the description below for any links and any more information about what I do. I do have a website that you can go sign up for a newsletter if you'd like. I've got some links to some merch if you'd like to check those out, and I am on Facebook and Instagram. You guys have a splendid day and stay curious.